Building is progressing. Selamat pagi. Yeah. Ocean is calm and nice. Water is crystal clear. No agong today, but looks perfect for diving.
Pack your bags. We never needed their permission to believe in ourselves. So come with me. We could spend the weekend doing everything they said we'd never do.
Decided to have a little bit fun and go to the Boga wreck. It's in Kubu area. It's one of the artificial shipwrecks. It never sank down there by some accident. It was put down there by purpose to create artificial reef. And that's great actually, because for the local government has another ideas, and probably in the not so long future we will have a wreck here in Amed as well. Hope it will be really big one. As big as a wreck is more interesting it is, but I just thinking about capacity. Like for example, if in Amed area and Tulamban we have a lot of divers. Liberty wreck, the good thing about the Liberty wreck is that it's a big wreck, and that's why there is enough space for all the divers who's coming there. There's no any schedules, like for example, okay, today it's a limit only of 50 or 100 divers. There's no any limits. In some situations it's really annoying because it's more bubbles than it's the same amount of the bubbles as in jacuzzi, but anyways, yeah, so as big as the wreck, as better it is for us. And it will definitely keep attention of wreck divers. We will be able to do wreck diving courses here in this area. Anyways, we can do it. I'm so happy about that. See you later. Nothing can hurt us in our bubble. For better or worse, in and up, hill struggle. No regrets and windows down. No regrets and windows down. 68-minute dive. Mahida is not using air at all. So many times better on air than me. Well, anyways, we did it was a deep dive. It was the maximum that was around 35 meters, 34 meters. And then the dive 68 minutes. I think it's not bad. I always can take another tank, right? What was great actually, I was super happy to see that all coral formation. This is one really good place where you can see how the corals taking over the sandy areas. The local community, of course, helped to do it. Like they've been planting in the beginning of the corals, but this coral overtaking the sandy areas anyway. So and it looks like a small Japanese gardens, which is super cool to see. It would be actually interesting to come back after a while, let's say after a year, and to compare how big it became. All right, that's it from Kubu at the moment. Going back to Amed. See you later. Kasih Noyon.
Sama-sama. See you next time.
Ya, sampai jumpa. Lagi. What was good? What you liked there?
I don't know.
Especially
Myself.
what?
Me, myself.
You? So you got 1 kilogram less.
Yes.
Oh, that's great. And it felt better, right?
Yes. I was just torturing myself all the time with extra kilo.
Yeah, because I think it's from the very beginning you looked a little bit better than previous times. I mean the horizontal position.
Yeah.
It felt much better. That's how we're improving. Some people told me today that I've been lying about the best visibility in March and April, end of March and April, and they are absolutely true. And they're absolutely right, just because it's really like that. It's not the best just because we still have a rain. It's absolutely unusual rain season at the moment. By this time, the rain should be over, but as you can see, it starts raining again. Peaceful and nice evening here in Amed. Laura got a new haircut today, and I'm going to pick her up. And that means that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.
Pack your bags. We never needed their permission to believe in ourselves. So come with me. We could spend the weekend doing everything they said we'd never do. In their universe, we're just caught